Oh, hi! So I'm coming at you today with another wig review. Pretty fun. I'll get right into it. This is from SuperbWigs, and they sent me this wig. SuperbWigs sent me this. Just got my natural hair, which I just dyed because I have been like bleach blonde for like over a year or something, and keeping up with my roots was hard, so I just thought I would go back to like my natural colour and, you know, kind of go something a bit more mature. It's a bit just unkempt and unstyled right now. It's a bit messy, and when I've got like my drag face on, my real hair I think looks a bit flat and sad. It's growing, you know, I almost don't need a wig. And it goes really well with this dress. Happy coincidence. I'm also not wearing a bra, so it looks a bit weird. My arms look a bit skinny in this dress, so I don't know if I like it. It's just something nice and plain and simple. Really brings out my eyes and hopefully this wig. So, let's get straight into opening it. It's pink. So I like this little slidey box situation. So, what do we get in the package? We have the wig. Oh my god. There's also, what else is in here? That's all. 2 other things. Wig caps. Oh! A black wig cap and a nude wig cap. Which is some nice variety. I'm going to wear the nude one and I'm going to put that on now. This is a look. I'm too conscious of like the size of my head and forehead though to rock not wearing a wig. So it's a good thing these people make wigs, but are they good? I think it's going to be a good one. Oh, this is tight. It just took off my forehead contour. That takes some nerve. Let me just go back in and reapply that. Oh! Okay, so now for the wig. It comes in a lovely white hairnet. Normally they come in black hairnet, so it's nice to have a white one for a change, because this means I could maybe style a wig with this. Because I have like a million black ones, which is fine. But I wear a lot of blonde hair, so white hairnet, pretty good idea. And it comes stuffed to hold its shape. And here's the wig. Jesus, that is a lot of hair. It's got a lovely kind of, I don't know, wigs always have this like wave to them. They look so just nice. It's a lovely, vibrant pink. I'm so excited to wear this. I don't know if you can quite tell, but the hairline is really good looking, and the cap, good size. It seems like a good size, because I'm used to wearing like cheap wigs off eBay and Amazon. They do not fit. They will not fit my head. But this feels like it'll fit, so I'm going to throw it on and I'll let you know. So I'm going to put it on at the front first. So I'm going to put it on and then I'll take it off. Then I'll cut the lace off and I'll put it back on properly. There is so much hair. It's so heavy. I'm worried I'll put it on wrong. Whoa. I don't like putting wigs on with the lace still on, because I'm worried it's going to wipe off my eyebrows. So it's not on properly, but this is gorgeous. This is even prettier than I thought. It also surprisingly goes pretty well with my makeup. Right, so let's say if I had it on properly, it would look like this. So, I'd say the parting right now, it's in the kind of, it's just pushed back. There was no specific parting here, but if you wanted to, you can part it. The lace is all along the front, so you can change the parting however you want. So I always have mine parted on the left, so I'm going to just pull that across. You see, like that. Obviously you can't just pull it over, you'd need to restyle it a bit, you know, steam it or straighten it or whatever you'd need to do. Look at that hairline though, you cannot even clock it. And then here it is, it all comes all the way to the sides. So I could glue it down and then wear it behind my ear. This is gorgeous. This is absolutely stunning. Oh my god, I'm in love with this. That's really like unusual. I don't like myself with curls and waves, but I love how this looks on me. It's such a cooperative wig. It's so... Oh. And the colour's really nice. I feel like I have a couple pink wigs and they're not, it's just like pink. This is almost neon. Can we call it neon? I've got the hiccups, sorry. Ooh, this is some good hair. And it's really soft, it's really thick, there's so much hair. Right, I'm gonna have to wear this. I'm gonna have to do a few photo shoots in this. I'm gonna need to get some mileage out of this wig. This is incredible. So, firstly, I'm gonna cut the lace off. So, hopefully it hasn't wiped my eyebrows off. Oh! Still there. So, with me, I like to cut pretty much most of the lace off up to the hairline. Or maybe, everyone always says like a 1/4 inch. And I don't really know how much 1/4 inch is. Oh, there's lots of like really fine hairs at the front. I wouldn't call them baby hairs, but they're really nice and natural looking hairs near around the front. So, I'm going to take my scissors. But this lace is almost like invisible, so I don't really need to cut that much off. So I'm going to leave a little bit extra, and that gives me more to play with, more to stick down, and it improves the life of the wig, because you're not going to have to worry about the lace kind of becoming damaged. Okay, so there's the lace. Here is the wig with the lace cut off. Now to place this on. Much easier to put on once all the lace is off. And then I'm going to find the combs that are in there and just anchor them into my hair. I like this kind of pushed back look it has to it. I don't have a wig that does this, but I definitely think I prefer a parting on me. But I will try a few things. And then there's also the sides. Let's glue it down, go on. So what I'm doing is I just take my spirit gun, get it on the brush. Whoa, I just got the mirror out and I look pretty. I'm just going to coat this all along here, which is where I want the wig to stick. You know, this really makes me want to just do like a bright pink. Like, I already like pink, and I already have a pink wig, but I want to do like even pinker. Look at that, I can just pull it back as if it's growing out my head. And this is me putting it on really quickly, by the way. You could take your time and it would be like unclockable. But I also love how long this is. Like, look how long. Oh, I'm gonna have to wear this a lot. I have a lot of ideas and plans for you, girl. Now let's zoom in and get some fun close-up. Okay, so I have some very interesting information for you. I got a coupon code. AVA, that's A-V-A. Go to SuperbWigs' website. Yes, that is SuperbWigs.com. You go on their website and you see they do a lot of wigs. They do human hair wigs, hair weave with closures, synthetic wigs, 360 lace wigs. That's amazing. This is a synthetic wig. This is a synthetic pink wig in the style Jennifer. Pink synthetic wig with a lace front. Looks just like the picture. It's even got the style, it's got the curls at the bottom. This one actually might look a bit nicer than the picture. But you can use the code AVA, AVA, for $8 off no matter what you buy. That's $8 off your purchase. And if you buy 5 wigs off them, you get their wholesale price instead. So that's if you're thinking of buying a few wigs. If you buy 5 or more, you get the wholesale price. I don't know what the wholesale price is, but that's one thing that I know that I thought I should share with anyone, because that might be of interest to someone if you're thinking of saving money. That's just some insider information I've decided I'm going to share with you. But the more important thing is AVA. Yes, that is your discount code. So you just buy a wig, or I think, yeah, buy a wig. $8 off, which is pretty significant chunk of the price. It's over 10%, 20%, maybe 20%. Pretty good. Let me know what you think of this wig, if you're going to get one. If you have any questions about this wig, or these wigs, or any other wigs, ask in the comment section below. Tell me, and I will help you. Especially if you want to get a wig from these people, or get in touch with them. The best thing you could do, for me, would be to get in touch with them and tell them that you saw me, or you saw my video and that you're interested. All I can do is recommend these wigs. They are a good price, really like affordable. And the quality though is so much better. This much hair, these colours in these styles, for this money you don't often get a wig this good. So that's why I can only recommend go over to their website, SuperbWigs.com. Check them out. They have so many wigs, so many colours, styles, types of wigs, types of caps. Yeah, oh, there's just so much. I'm really happy I know these exist now and that they got in touch with me and that I am able to share the advice with you. Check out my videos, see what else I can suggest, And aside from that, there is also makeup tutorials and drag 101s, and I also have gaming. I have a gaming channel. Please check that out. Just check me out on... There's everything you need to know is in the description below, including the coupon code. Keep in touch, and hopefully I'll be back with another video very shortly. And if you like this one, give it a like. If you liked me and you haven't been here before, subscribe so you can see future videos, or watch a few more videos to decide if you like me or not. I believe that's all for this video. Okay, alright, cool. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. Mwah.